In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create desktop shortcuts for different Google Chrome profiles. Having separate desktop shortcuts for each of your Chrome profiles can make switching between accounts much faster and more efficient, especially if you're balancing multiple roles like work, personal browsing, or school tasks on the same device. So, let's dive right into it. To start, open your Google Chrome browser. At the top right corner, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll find all your Chrome profiles neatly displayed. Each profile holds its own settings, bookmarks, history, and saved passwords, which makes profiles very handy for organizing your digital life. Under the Other Chrome Profiles section, you'll see a menu featuring all the profiles you've created. Select the profile you'd like to create a desktop shortcut for. This step is crucial because it's the profile settings page where we can customize and create that handy shortcut. Once you've picked the desired profile and you're viewing it in Chrome, you need to navigate back to that profile icon at the top right corner and click it once more. A menu will appear. In this menu, you want to choose Customize Profile. This feature lets you personalize aspects such as the color or theme of the profile, but for today, we're just focusing on getting that desktop shortcut set up. Now, as you're in the customization settings, scroll down through the options available. You'll come across an option that allows you to create desktop shortcut. This is a simple toggle switch. Turn it on to enable the feature. By doing this, you're telling Chrome to place a shortcut on your desktop, which corresponds to the profile you've just customized. This step essentially wraps up the process, providing the shortcut right on your desktop screen for quick and easy access anytime you need it. By following these straightforward steps, you should now see the shortcut appear on your desktop, adorned with the profile picture or icon you've set for its identification. Moving forward, whenever you need to access that particular Chrome profile, a simple double-click on the desktop icon will launch you right into the browser profile environment you need to be in, saving you time and potentially preventing any mix-ups between profiles. That's all it takes to create a desktop shortcut for your Google Chrome profiles. It's a small trick that can make a big difference in your daily digital workflow. Thanks for tuning in today, and make sure to check out other tips and tricks to enhance your browsing experience.